Go. Hey guys, this is the Prodigy Kid here. Say hi. So we are with a 2019 Infiniti qx60, and we have a message on the message center that says oil change required. So I want to teach you how to take that message off of the car. Okay, so you're gonna need the keys inside the car. Start the car, baby. Okay, so as you guys can see, oh no, okay, I'm gonna lower the window. Yeah, there it is. It says maintenance oil and filter. Okay, so what you're gonna do right here is press this guy one time, press it again, press it again, press it again, press it again, again, this one, not this one. Okay, so again, okay, so you press it to the gear, okay, to the gear. Now go down with this one. Go down, go down to maintenance, and now you press OK, enter. Okay, now press enter because it says service. So now press enter again. Okay, and there it is. So the amount of miles is 5,000 miles, the limit. Okay, that's why we do the oil changes, because we put synthetic oil, so that's why we do it every 5,000 miles. Okay, so you're right there. So now press down. Wait, press down because we're gonna go where it says reset. Wait, push it down. Okay, now press enter. See, now it's reset it to 0 miles. Okay, and to go back on that arrow going back. Yep, and there we are, and that's all. Now turn it off. Okay, now turn the car back on. Okay, and now we're not gonna see